Welcome back. So we're back in the shop today. I'm going to get concrete poured in this shop. It's going to take a couple different times, a couple different sections to get it all done. The first section I want to do is this area that's underneath the loft, all the way from one end to the other. 48 foot long, 10 foot wide underneath that loft. The problem is that I've packed a whole bunch of stuff over there. That's where my outlets are, that's where I work. So I've got to get all that stuff put over here on this side, but in such a way that I can still get to my toolboxes and still use the majority of my stuff in case I need to work on something. But enough talking about it, let's get this done. Let's get this area cleaned out, re-level the ground, dig the little footing around the outside, and get it ready for concrete. Come on. I know it's rough. You gotta get out though. I gotta move that bench. No. Not time to sleep. Come on. Come here, dear. Come here, dear. Look at the attention. Candy's getting all the attention. Come here, dear. You're such a brat. Come here. Hey. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's good to haul. Raked up the wood chips from the planer and raked up a majority of the sawdust from that chop saw. Get the majority of the organic material out, so I'm not pouring concrete over something that's going to decompose and fall away. We've got to dig footers around the outside edge. I want a 1 foot deep by 1 foot wide chunk on the outside edge to help hold the concrete more secure and keep mice, rats, skunks, whatever from burrowing underneath the slab to this shop. And I also need to trim out the metal. Now the top of that concrete pillar is the same height as the top of these concrete slabs that the loft is sitting on. So finding level when we pour concrete will be super easy. But I want the sheet metal, since right now it kind of bulges out and around those pillars, I want that sheet metal to fit real nice and tight around that so that I can attach a 2x4 to it and hold it really secure. No use in talking about it, let's get to work. Got that little footer dug all the way out. Huge mess of dirt out here now. Gotta get all this dirt cleaned out. A fur ball down there sleeping in it. Can't blame her. It's nice cool dirt, but she's not gonna like the tractor that backs up over here to move that dirt out of here. You gotta get up, puppers. I gotta move this dirt. Huh. I gotta move this dirt. Yep, you gotta get up. Wakey, wakey. Come on. Let's go. Well, that looks a lot better, and we're almost there. We're getting there. Still got to put some forms up inside here, and I've got to do something with the tin on the outside of the building. That concrete's going to push up against that tin, and it's going to have a big bulge on the outside, have a big blowout, waste a lot of concrete. I'm thinking, get some scrap from the sawmill, that sawmill takeoff pile I have that's so massive. Get some scrap off that, some thicker pieces, put on the outside of the building, put it up against the tin and put some stakes behind it. It'll hold that tin right where it needs to be. Shouldn't have a big blowout, shouldn't be wasting a lot of concrete. As I'm figuring, it's 8 yards of concrete for that pour right there, that first section. 48 foot long, about 9.5, 10 foot wide, and then the little footer around the outside edge. Hang out, guys. Hit that subscribe button, little bell for notifications so you don't miss the next video. We're gonna get this thing poured. Until next time, go make something.